A Brooklyn man, Basilio Hidalgo, drove his SUV onto Long Island Railroad tracks near Elmont UBS Arena, causing a fire and halting train services. The SUV was heavily damaged with 2 tires shredded and the front igniting. Firefighters extinguished the blaze and removed the vehicle. Hidalgo, suspect of being drunk, was arrested and charged with reckless endangerment, trespassing, and DWI. The incident disrupted multiple train lines, with crew taking hours to restore services. While no injury were reported, commuters faced major delays, and the MTA is investigating how the SUV accessed the tracks.
இந்தியர்களின் இதய குரல் மக்களோசை.